guys, it's me, Liam from Board Busters, and today we're going to be making a main menu screen in Scratch. So before I start, I just want to say please make sure to like and subscribe. Help me get 4,000 watch hours just by watching my longer videos. And I also have created a playlist that just has all my videos in it. The link to that playlist will be in the description. That will help me get 4,000 watch hours to get monetized on YouTube. And I need a lot of people to help me with that. So if you can support me with that, and that will help me out so much. So with the main menu screen, I wanted to start off by just making a fruit. We already did the Fruit Ninja game. You guys could do it every game you want, but I wanted to make an example in this game. But yeah, we did make a Fruit Ninja game, and we had all of these sprites. So I added a thumbnail. That's just kind of extra effects. You don't have to worry about that. But I'm going to for the main menu, I'm going to paint a new sprite. I'm going to rename this to, let's say, menu background. Oh, that is not right. There we go. And I'm just going to I'm going to hide this sprite for now. I'm going to go here. I'm going to just kind of customize it. I have made a video on how to draw sprites, and go check that on my channel if you want to learn how to draw sprites. But yeah, I'm just going to time lapse this part, and I'm going to start doing my sprite drawing right now. There is the main menu screen, and yeah, so all it says is just Fruit Ninja, slice the fruit to get points, don't slice the bombs or you will lose. So that's what my text says, and I just have the little apple sprite right there. And yeah, so there is my main menu screen. Leave some room wherever you want for a play button. So now that we've got that, let's just code this real quick. So we'll do when green flag clicked, show, go to the position you want it to go. And let's just go to here. Let's switch this from when green flag clicked to, let's wait. Let's add a play button. So go to paint, and let's just make a play button. Okay, so there is my sprite. I just did a little play button. So I just added a bit of code to help me kind of see it. There were some errors with the little with the editor, like the costume editor. So I just went back to the code, and I just did when green flag clicked, show go to front layer. Let's do a go to front layer 2 on this one, and then we'll do our go to. And let's see, go to, here we go. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to start off just kind of by coding everything. So I just want to do when green flag clicked, forever, if mouse pointer if mouse down, and then we will broadcast a new message. We'll do broadcast new message, start game. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to when I receive game over, hide, and then we'll go to the back layer. We'll do the same for here. When I receive game over, hide, and then go to the back layer. Okay, there we go. So now that we've got that, we're just going to go in every one of these sprites, and we're going to switch the when green flag clicked with the when I receive start game. Okay, so go ahead and do that. Go switch this with every single sprite, and yeah, just make sure there's not multiple green flags, and if there are, just switch them. Okay, so I'm going to time lapse this part, and I'll be right back. So I did find an error here. I'm so sorry about this. Want to make it so it's when I receive start game. So we'll just broadcast. Let me test this real quick. So stop, go. So I don't know why it's not showing there. When I receive. Yeah. So, oh, there it goes. Yep. Now it's going. Game over. So there we go. What I want to do to fix this bug is, as you can see, sometimes it shows, sometimes it doesn't. So to fix this bug, I want to go to when green flag clicked, set ghost effect to 0. Okay, so set ghost effect to 0. Instead of hiding it, we'll set the ghost effect to 100. And then we'll go to the back layer. Or set ghost effect to, I think, 1 or 100. Let's just make it 100. Hide, go to back layer. We don't have to do this for all of them. We'll just do it for the play sprite. Go to, where is it? Or sorry, not go to. Set ghost effect. Here we go. To 100. As you can see, it still has that thing. So I think it is when the green flag is clicked, we have to do and touching mouse pointer. So it has to be, it can't just be mouse down. I mean, it can, but let's just make it that. When I receive start game. Yep, set ghost effect to 0. When green flag clicked. Let's just make a separate when green flag clicked. And then, you know what, let's just duplicate this. And then we'll just make sure it's kind of just there. So it's kind of like a double one. Well, the game still works, but it's kind of got an error. So let's see if we can fix that. I would say not a comment. Oh, by the way, I've never told you guys this, but you guys can do comments on here. So you just right click on your block, add comment. So comment is, I think I might have explained it before in Roblox, but pretty much what it is that it's kind of just noting things down. So you can just say, this is what happens when the message is broadcast. I'm not sure how to spell that. Hang on. Yeah, I think I was getting it cast. Okay, this is what happens when the message is broadcasted. So that's pretty much all it is. I think I just removed it, but that's just what a comment is. I'm not sure why the play is kind of doing that, but it's okay. I think it should be functional. You'll just have to kind of do it a few times, but that's okay. Let's just have it go to the front layer when I receive. Let's just right now have it go to the front layer. Go to front layer. There we go. Now we could save that And that's the thumbnail, so when people see it, they could just click on it, and it looks a lot nicer. So let's try our game out. Fruit Ninja. Fruit Ninja, see, it's got that error, but you're going to have to restart it. There you go. Play. Our things should come up. Boom. And the game is still fully functional. We got the game over. And, yeah. So the link to this game will be in the description. You can remix it. You guys can really do whatever you want. You guys can play it. Yeah, feel free to remix it. It's very fun. It's also on my Boredom Busters Studio, Scratch Studio. So that will be the Scratch Studio. If you want to go check that out, will be up on the right corner of my channel, and it'll just have the Scratch logo. So yeah, please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a great day, guys. Bye.